are the biotechnology company Nando, which has been developing and manufacturing microbiological products and chemical additives for agriculture and industry for 17 years. By implementing innovations and combining scientific advancements in biotechnology, chemistry, and engineering, we develop products for agriculture, animal husbandry, and industry. Having our own research center, we collaborate with research centers and universities around the world. At Nando, we have created a portfolio of products that are exported to more than 20 countries. Among our products are bacteria, fungi, and other biostimulants for improving plant growth and residue decomposition. As the CEO of Nando, I am proud to announce our nomination for Excellence in Agriculture at the AgriNext Awards, the agricultural event of the year. Let's meet in Dubai this autumn.